Wonderful people, viewers and subscribers, welcome back on this platform, BVI Channel 1, where truth is the only gospel we preach. And I can categorically say this without any apology to any man, that Nigeria has the worst political leaders you can find anywhere around the world, especially in Africa. The very worst. People living in 21st century with the mentality of Stone Age. These are the kind of people you call your leaders. Now, Mr. Common Sense, Ben Bruce, made this post as he refreshed his position during his time at the National Assembly. I am making a watch.
In economic sense, Nigeria is an oil-producing country. We cannot sit here as a parliament to be encouraging something that will hurt our own economy. It should be our responsibility to do everything to frustrate electric cars so that we'll be able to sell our oil and gas. So once more, I would like to advise my brother and friends to have a rethink and do further consultations. That is my contribution. You know, I can never quarrel with my leaders and my friends. However, I want some of my colleagues to close their eyes and dream they're in the 21st century. That's all. You cannot function as if you're in the dark ages. I will withdraw the bill, but I want you to think. In a few years' time, let me finish. In a few years' time, can you let me finish? Senator Marafa, let me finish. In a few years' time, combustion engine cars will not be manufactured in the world anymore. They're going to stop all manufacturing, whether you like it or not. Okay, that is fine. Wait. Can you let me finish? Oh, Mr. President, I apologize. Can you let me finish? Now, these cars will not be manufactured. I drive an electric car in Abuja. I own one for 5 years. I charge it with solar power. It has never had a problem for 5 years. I own a Tesla. And I drive a Tesla, and it's an amazing car. It is cheaper to manufacture, it is cheaper to maintain, and it is great for our country. For the sake of my colleagues, I will withdraw the bill. You do not belong in the 21st century, and I understand. I will withdraw the bill, and I hope you can improve as we move forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you see it? Hey, people that bagged one certificate or the other, mandinke golego, mandinke kopela copy. People that you have high respect for, people that you believe they have something to offer as leaders. Look at the kind of argument. And I appreciate the fact that somebody like Ben Bruce tested the water. He didn't go back there the second time. Because Nigeria had been designed in such a way, African system especially have been designed in such a way, that productive, innovative leadership is murdered at the altar of Nigerian or African political system. You can imagine this kind of argument in 21st century. They are still talking about oil producing. Hey, you are going to drink that oil. And don't forget, the man Ben Bruce comes from the region where this oil is being produced. Now let me ask you Nigerian politicians, because I'm facing the Nigerian politicians and political leaders. Since you have been selling the oil, how far? Have your education improved? What about your health system? Are we talking about infrastructure, the roads, the rail networks? Oh, now let us go down to your commerce and industrial economy. How far has it improved? We're no longer talking about insecurity, because the failure of all of these have cumulated into what we have today as Nigeria insecurity situation. And you call yourself leaders. It is so disheartening and disappointing that Ike Ekweremadu, when I saw this, you know, while he came for, Ben Bruce, for Emeka Anyoku program at Oka. I was there. When he mentioned it, I never believed that a politician in the capacity of Ike Ekweremadu will be part of those who truncated a bill, an innovative bill that will encourage young chaps in Nigeria who are very innovative in creative industries, in ITC and the rest of them. They murdered the future of the Nigerian young people at the altar of the oil where they have all reserved for themselves, because that is what matters to them. They have all reserved crude oil wells for themselves. They're all benefiting from the sale of the crude oil, and they believe it will continue till eternity, at least until they all head to their graves, because many of them are put on one advance already. When I tell you that, you see, these Nigerian politicians and African leaders, they can only lead the young ones, the young generations, to their cemetery, to their graves. They are leading you nowhere. And it is heartbreaking to see young Nigerians or young Africans support this expired, never do well political class. They don't need. In fact, oh God, these guys don't want even being their town chairman and president, much more having such exalted position of authority. Come on. And you expect Nigeria to get better. Oh, hey, if you finish dreaming, you wake up. You can only see a worse situation. So, my people, that is all I'm just trying to expose your consciousness. I mean the Nigerian young people. I'm just a messenger. I can only deliver the message. It is left for you to embrace it. You don't care about my contents. You don't share it. You don't watch it. It is boring to you, right? It is not entertaining, right? It is not doing things, Abi, and not showing bombs and the rest of all that things you watch on the social media. You entertain yourself with. Sorry, yeah. So, yeah. You better start thinking and holding what we're doing on this platform very seriously, because your life and your future depends on it. I'm just a messenger. I'm just a voice. I can only deliver the message. Join GGM today. Join the political revolution and liberate yourselves from never do well political class. And that is the message. The numbers are there on the screen to become an ambassador, to resist irresponsible political class and a failed government. There must be a revolution. It starts from here. The political revolution is kicking in, and there will be no place for failed political class in our society. I am just an Archbishop, Good Governance Ministry. Drop your comments. Let me have your opinion. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.